Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video between two leave-in conditioners, one from Black Like Me and the other one from Cantu. But before we get into the application, results, and my thoughts, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, I did go in with the Black Like Me and the Cantu. At this time, I can't really remember which side I used them at, but I really do remember the results because I did it a few days ago. So on one side of my hair, I can't remember, I used the Black Like Me leave-in conditioner. It's intensive hydration and it promises to hydrate, soften, and detangle. It's paraben-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, and sulfate-free as well. It contains no sulfate. So this, I love the consistency. I love the slip. You can detangle with this. It melts into your hair. I love the price points as well of this. I do have a video, talking more about this in the co-wash. So check that out as well. So I apply this on my hair in sections, melt it into my hair. On the other side, I went in with the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This one provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. It's formulated for damaged, dry, and coarse hair. This used to be a favorite of mine. It's no longer a favorite of mine, but I thought let me compare these two as well. I know this can be very, very controversial in terms of a lot of people like it and a lot of people don't. I like tubs. You guys know I like to scoop product out, so I apply this. It also gave nice slip, help with detangling as well, went on really, really nice. In terms of the results, both of them play really well with other stylists, so I can use them. I don't have to use certain stylists, they don't flake. The Cantu one does leave my hair a little bit drier than the Black Like Me, so I find that over a few days, or day 3, day 4, the Black Like Me sides is a little bit more moisturized than the Cantu one. Being in Johannesburg, I found that my hair just gets very, very dry using the Cantu leave-in for some reason. When I did live overseas, it worked amazing. I had no problems, but I do find that being here, it does dry my hair out a lot. So in terms of Cantu or the Black Like Me, I would go for the Black Like Me. Personally, this is just my personal experience in terms of the results. So I like the size of the Cantu, a whole lot of product, but it does dry my hair out. So guys, a quick comparison video between the two. You saw the application, how I applied it, you heard my thoughts on the results, and drop your comments below, guys. Let's chat and share with me which one you like and prefer, or if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.